Welcome to Fine Art for JSS 3. Today we study Digital Art, Introduction to Photoshop. What is digital art? Digital art is art created using digital technology, computers, tablets, and software. Digital art is an exciting modern development in the art world, and Adobe Photoshop is one of the most powerful and widely used tools for creating and editing digital images. What is Adobe Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphics editing software developed by Adobe Incorporated. It is used for image editing, retouching photographs, digital painting, creating original artworks, graphic design, posters, logos, layouts, photo manipulation, combining images creatively, web design and animation. Key Photoshop concepts. 1. Raster versus vector. Raster images are made of pixels, tiny colored squares. Photoshop works with raster images. When enlarged, raster images become blurry, pixelated. Vector images, used in Adobe Illustrator, are made of mathematical formulas and can be scaled without losing quality. 2. Canvas/document, the workspace where you create your image. 3. Layers. Layers are like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Each layer can contain different elements, text, images, shapes. Layers allow you to edit parts of an image independently without affecting others. 4. Tools in Photoshop. Selection tools, marquee, lasso, magic wand. Painting tools, brush, pencil, eraser. Cloning tool, clone stamp, copies one part of an image to another. Healing brush, removes blemishes and imperfections. Text tool, adds text to images. Crop tool, cuts away unwanted parts of an image. Zoom tool, zooms in or out. 5. Color modes, RGB, red, green, blue, for screen display. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, for print. 6. File formats, JPEG, compressed, small file size. PNG, preserves transparency. PSD, Photoshop native format, preserves layers. PDF, for sharing and printing. Digital art in Nigeria. Nigerian graphic designers and digital artists use Photoshop professionally in advertising agencies, creating adverts and campaigns. Film and television, movie posters, Nollywood artwork. Fashion industry, editorials, magazine layouts. Social media content creation. Many young Nigerians are building careers as freelance digital artists on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Remember, you do not need Photoshop to appreciate or understand digital art. Understanding the principles of art, line, shape, color, form, texture, space, is the foundation of digital art, just as it is for traditional art. Remember, digital art equals art created using digital technology equals computers plus tablets plus software. Adobe Photoshop equals raster graphics editing software developed by Adobe Inc. Used for image editing/retouching photographs plus digital painting/creating original artworks plus graphic design/posters plus logos plus layouts plus photo manipulation/combining images plus web design plus animation. Key concepts. Raster equals raster images made of pixels/tiny colored squares equals when enlarged become blurry/pixelated. Vector equals made of mathematical formulas equals can be scaled without losing quality/used in Adobe Illustrator. Canvas/document equals workspace where you create your image. Layers equals like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other equals each layer contains different elements equals text plus images plus shapes equals allows you to edit parts of image independently. Tools equals selection tool/marquee plus lasso plus magic wand plus painting tool/ brush plus pencil plus eraser plus cloning tool/clone stamp/ copies one part to another plus healing brush/ removes blemishes plus text tool plus crop tool plus zoom tool. Color modes equals RGB/red plus green plus blue/for screen display plus CMYK/cyan plus magenta plus yellow plus black/for print. File format equals JPEG slash compressed plus small file size plus PNG slash preserves transparency plus PSD slash Photoshop native format slash preserves layers plus PDF slash for sharing plus printing. Digital art in Nigeria, advertising agencies plus film plus television slash Nollywood artwork plus fashion industry plus social media content creation, young Nigerians building careers as freelance digital artists on Fiverr plus Upwork. Foundation. Principles of art equals line plus shape plus color plus form plus texture plus space equals foundation of both digital art plus traditional art. Thank you.